Hi guys, this is Jessica, your HBA from Batch 108. Okay, so maraming nag-PPM sa akin kung may mga gustong mag-apply, nanghihingi ng mga tips sa akin on what to prepare during the application process sa HelloRich. Okay, so number one guys, kailangan meron kayong laptop. Either borrowed or owned na laptop. Kasi kailangan natin yun. Borrowed kasi siguro mamaya explain ko. Or owned. Either tapos pasok sa specs ni HelloRich. And number two, if you are a slow typer like me, kasi mabagal ako mag-type, just so you know, meron tayong minimum, ay parang merong requirement sa typing speed that is 50 words per minute. Hindi ko lang alam kung until now ganyan pa rin. Basta, I believe it's still 50 words per minute. So, kailangan kong mag-type. Guys, nag-start ako ng 24 or lower than that. So, kailangan kong nag-practice ako for 1 month every day for about an hour or 2 hours. Every day talaga guys, para lang ma-hit ko yung 50 words per minute ko. Kung na-kumpleto mo na lahat ng requirements for the application, number 3, work on improving your English communication skills. Guys, very important kasi nga, alam niyo naman na our clients would be coming from the US. So, kailangan mong English. So, if ever man naipasa mo yung application process, naipasa mo yung qualifying exam, there would be an interview, one-on-one interview with you sa HelloRich. So, of course, English yun. So, kailangan may mga ways ka or I don't know kung ano yung balak nyong gawin or para basta i-improve nyo yung English communication skills nyo. Kausapin nyo yung mga pamangkin nyo nag-English, yon ganon. Manood kayo ng mga English movies, manood kayo ng mga English na interviews sa YouTube, lahat para mag-improve kayo sa English ninyo. And kung naipasa nyo na yun lahat, number 4 would be, kailangan i-condition nyo na yung katawan nyo na magpuyat. Ang training ng HelloRich is Arizona time, so that would be 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. May lunch break naman yan. Pero yun na nga guys, ang hirap kasi medyo, alam mo yun, naantok ka na sa training, pero kailangan. So, ayun, if possible, mag-practice na kayong magpuyat-puyat. Kung naipasa nyo na yung lahat for training na kayo, mag-practice na kayong magpuyat-puyat para hindi manibago yung katawan ninyo. Number 5, very important. You should have enough savings to sustain you for 2 months or more than 2 months kasi ang training natin sa HelloRich ay unpaid at saka hindi naman guaranteed na after graduation na magkakaroon ka ng client. And also guys, hindi lahat ng nang nakapapasok sa training ay gumagraduate. Hindi lahat makakapasa guys. Meron tayong phone certification and live certification na kailangan ipasa to become a certified HBA of HelloRich. So pag hindi nyo yan naipasa guys, I think marerebatch kayo or bibigyan kayo ng chance to reapply again for about 3 months. So, it's very important, guys, na may savings kayo. Risky siya, especially dun sa mga breadwinners natin. So, manage your expectations, not because you are qualified na nakapasok ka na sa HelloRich, ay kampante ka na. You have to give it your all, give your best shot kasi hindi nga lahat nakakapasa. At sayang naman yung effort mo guys, yung laptop, yung gastos mo, yung pag-quit mo sa work. So, kailangan do your best lang. And of course, you pray for a heart that is going to accept your fate, kung makapasa ka man o hindi. Everything happens for a reason. So, ayun lang. Kung pinag-iisipan mo pa, hindi mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan. So, go ahead, work on your application, practice ka na ng typing, mag-practice ka na mag-English, and save money, enough money to sustain you for a few months para makapag-training ka ng nakababayad ng bills. Okay? Good luck sa lahat ng gustong makapasok sa HelloRich and hopefully would become an HBA soon. So, good luck guys!